Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Summer is here and we need something for those picnics or backyard barbecues. Let me show you this awesome roasted corn salsa recipe which everyone will love. Come on. I have roasted the corn and just cut the kernels off from the stalk. You can even grill the corn if you like. Here is the husked ear of the corn where I have cut the kernels off. Try to separate the kernels as much as possible. I have removed the pulp and the seeds from the tomato for this recipe. You can use regular onion if you like. Now chilies are as per how spicy you like, but this recipe is not too spicy. I'm using all fresh ingredients for this recipe. Give it a good mix. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. Our salsa is ready and now you can have it with corn chips or any other chips you like. I'm using spicy potato chips to go with the salsa. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.